Hello friends, teenage job ni notification ka Tripura Public Service Commission agotla bisingti na okhormani o notification okhormani derongkha 2 tarik May mase 2022 tarik no okhormani fighting ke taba o Tripura Public Service Commission bisingtei tama post lajaknai jeng tei porinai lenai ire tongo name of the post ek number jak tongo Child Development Project Officer Group B Gazette lajaknai ire scale of pay jak tongo naidi the education qualification khaira at least bachelor degree from a recognized university bachelor degree khlaija tongkhai norok e job ni bagai apply khlaimanai te desirable jak tongo knowledge in Bengali or Kokborok tongna nangnai knowledge te ST rok ni bagai ekta te UR ni bagai ekta tongo te total ongkhe duita post tongo fighting ke taba 2 number nailai 2 number ongkha Panchayat Executive Officer Group C non-gazetted under RD Panchayat Department lajaknai ire scale of pay jak tongo naro details naidi tei ire sang essential qualification nailainai ire graduation pass khaijak tongkhlai naro e job ni bagai Panchayat Executive Officer Group C non-gazetted post ni bagai naro apply khlaimanai fighting ke taba desirable nailainai desirable tongna nangnai knowledge of Bengali Kokborok and computer knowledge tongna nangnai tei ire computer knowledge kwrwi phano naro apply khlaimano fighting ke taba post nailainai HC ni bagai tongo 68 ta tei ex serviceman ni bagai ekta tongo tei ST rok ni bagai tongo 124 ex serviceman tongo 3 ta tei UR ni bagai tongo 208 ex serviceman ni bagai 4 tongo tei ire total ongkha 400 ta post tongo to friends omongkha je Tripura Public Service Commission bisingtei je Panchayat Executive Officer job ni bagai je notification okhormani to friends ire sujak tongo for further details please visit www.tpsc.tripura.government.in o website habaino visit ma khlainai to friends nora question khlaimana je online application date bahai khe mannai tei bahai khe apply khlainai hinai fighting ke taba o online application ni bagai details phunuknai ire sujak tongo online application hnai ire click khaikhe tei ire oro click khlaimani pore omo hai okhor nai tei ire Panchayat Executive Officer ni bagai bo o website ro rwdonai tei ire Panchayat Executive Officer ni bagai je online application ni deri rwkhlai tei ire apply here dra chang no click khlai no chang apply ma khainai to friends omongkha Tripura Public Service Commission bisingti je Panchayat Executive Officer ni job ni notification omhai katal job ni notification naina bagai haste ni job channel no subscribe khlai tei support khlai di tei share khlai di।